Here we have, in its natural habitat, the Jojoicus lophobriticus, sleeping soundly as if nothing is going to happen. But little did he know that something eventually will occur. As he stares up into the distance, he sees his food and water bowl, knowing that he constantly has to share with the Snorpicus casey, I guess. As the Snorp cautiously looks at the door, she thinks that something is wrong. Probably because that there's a car alarm. Like most dogs, she is cautious about who is at the door. But little did she know that there's a dog toy standing right next to her. As she knows about the dog toy, she chooses to ignore it, as she does not understand the concept. Now, let us see what happens if the Jojoicus Corgius, and yes, I just changed the names. Be wary of that, as I might change the names in the future. Anyway, watch as I grab the dog toy to see how the Jojoicus Corgius will react. As I got up, Snorpicus casey, I guess, is cautious of the dog toy, and me, knowing that I might tamper with its environment. But don't be alarmed, I am merely doing this for science. It seems that as I played around with the dog toy a little, the Jojoicus Corgiacus still stands there unfazed. That is until the Casiacus Snorpicus goes back to her bed to sleep soundly and keep a watchful eye as who's at the door. It seems that both are aware that something is going on outside. Unfortunately, due to our time constraint, we only have like 15 seconds left to show you. So, if you want to tune in for more, make sure to like and subscribe, and say hi to Cassie and Jojo.